Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my another new video. So right now, as you can see, I'm here in this place. Actually right now I'm here and practicing my English. Actually this is a very peaceful place and I'm here to practice my English. So as you can see, this is a mango tree. Look over there, this is a mango tree. Actually there are some mango trees over there on this side, and you can see there are lots of rich goat plants over there. Look, there are some rich goat plants over there, and you can see this is a beautiful rich goat flower. Actually we have implanted this rich goat plant before 1 month ago, and you can see the condition of this place. And you can see, look, before me there are some grass plant. Actually I have come here to practice my English and visiting this place. Actually this is my own grassland, as you can see. Actually I'm a farmer. Look, here you can see, this is me. I'm Uzzal Babu. I'm a farmer as well as a English content creator. So as you can see, there are so many grass plants over here. Look, they are growing beautifully, as you can see. And you can see there are lots of unnecessary weeds, and you can see I have removed this, I have collected these weeds. Look, there are some unnecessary weeds, and you can see there are lots of unknown plants over there. And look, this is a fig tree. I can say this is a fig plant, and I'll show you a beautiful guava plants. Look, this is a beautiful guava plant. Look, you can see the roots of these guava plants, and you can see this is the condition of these guava plants. This is so little, as you can see. You can see the top of these guava plants. You can see the new branches of this guava plant. There are 2 branches of this plant. So basically, dear friends, I'm an English learner, and right now I'm making this video only for my English practicing purpose. Actually some of my friends asked me, dear friends, how you learn your English language and how to practice your English, how you can practice your English without going any coaching center, how you can learn your English language. So dear friends, this video only for you, and you can see this is my English practicing video. Actually you can say this is my studio, and this is also my English class. And you can see there are lots of plants and trees, and you can say they are my teacher. Actually I learn from nature. So that is the main thing, dear friends. So no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. And if you watch this video for the first time on my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.